Want to hide your private photos and videos on your Samsung phone? Samsung just added a brand new private album feature in One UI 8.5, and here's how to use it. What is Private Album? This lets you securely hide photos and videos directly inside your Gallery app. No extra apps needed. Before we start, make sure your device is updated to One UI 8.5. Otherwise, this feature won't be available. How to access a private album on Samsung phone. Open the Gallery app. Tap the menu, 3 lines in the bottom right corner. Select Private Album. You'll be asked to unlock it using your fingerprint, PIN, or face unlock. Once you unlock it, you'll see all the photos and videos you've hidden on your device. How to move photos and videos to a private album. Now let me show you how to hide photos. Go back to your gallery. Open any photo or video you want to hide. Tap More, 3 dots at the bottom. Select Move to Private Album. Tap Move to confirm. And that's it. Your photos and videos are now hidden. Once moved, the photo or video will disappear from your phone's gallery. No one else can see it unless they unlock your private album. How to access hidden photos and videos again. Go to the gallery. Tap on Menu, 3 horizontal lines. Tap Private Album. Unlock your device. And you'll find all your hidden photos and videos right there. And that's how you use Private Album on your Samsung S26 series.